Okay, interesting development in the case of this pendulum with its buggered screen. So there you can see a normal screen and what it's meant to look like, and this is this one with the polarizers that are damaged. So I got a message from my good friend Ray, and he said that it might work if we just kind of put this on top, and the screen will probably get better. So you can probably already kind of see that difference. Now if you change this, it changes the polarizer and what you can see. It's pretty much what these polarizers do. It actually might be better upside down than it was the other way. Might do it that way. But yeah, as you can see, it's a lot better. You can actually kind of see it. Now originally I thought I would have to take this thing fully apart to do it, but if it works like this, where I kind of just put it on top, I might not need to do that. Because, like, you can see the menus a lot better with this thing on top. And there is adhesive on one side of this. This blue line you see down the middle is to mark the non-adhesive side. It's kind of rubbed away. It's kind of just a texture I think they've done. But yeah, so I'm gonna have a go at sticking this on, and maybe I won't have to take it fully apart, and I'll have to give this screen a good clean, just so that there's no fingerprints underneath this thing. Because this is just kind of like a sticker, but with the right polarizing film so that we can actually get some screen action going. If this works, this is going to be great for a quick fix for these polarizers, which would be pretty neat, I reckon. Anyway, I'm going to give this a go and see how this goes, and if it works, this will end up on YouTube. Okay, so I've made like a stencil so I can mark it out on here. I'm just gonna double check that if I use this it'll be okay. Well, it's still better than before, so should I do upside down? Might be a bit dark. I might have put it on the wrong way. Yeah, I put it on the wrong way. Whoops. Fuck. Well, this stuff is like really strong, so if you put it on the wrong way, like it's super strong. Once you get it on, it should be fine. So I messed this one up. Okay, well, now I know that I got the wrong adhesive side. Oh, man. Alright. Okay, so this is not going to be entirely useless. Come on. Come on. As you can see, it's super sticky. I've got the right viewing angle. I figured out the side the clear film is on. So, what we're going to do, just layer this on. There we go, we've got the angle. And now I'm going to cut this out, and hopefully this works. Let's just cut it here first so I don't lose all this film. But then again, I bought 5 sheets, so if I mess this, there's room for me to mess up. So yeah, it was connected like that. We good, we good, we good, we good. Okay, so one of these sides has the doubleness on there. Just get rid of that. Okay, so there is that off there. Did that take the other layer off with it? I think it did. So now we just have the sticky layer. So hopefully this fits first, double check that. need a slight trim. Slight trim. That seems to be about good. So let's take off this adhesive layer, which is super thin. Now this isn't the best job in the world, but it's pretty good. Alright, so you can see, a little bit hard to see if I can get us to focus. There's that line from, it's not doing it. There's that blue line on this plastic still. Okay, let's just slip this on. If I can get it without any air bubbles, that'd be great. If I maybe just use a cotton bud to get rid of all these air bubbles. I might need a slight trim. But that's so much better, isn't it? It's not perfect, but it's so much better. Can that tuck under? I might have to cut that a bit on that side. But that's the basis of it. I just need to trim it a little bit more, and I have plenty of this stuff. I have like a bunch of sheets, so. But yeah, check that out. Isn't that cool that we can like fix the screen pretty much? Like, dudes, that is so neat. That is so much better. That is so cool. I didn't even have to take it apart. That's so neat. Again, it's not brilliant. It's not the best thing in the world, but that screen is so much better than before. Okay, well, there's that. That's how you fix it. Buy some polarizing film that has adhesive on the other side. You can get like these packs on eBay. I'll put the listing up right now of what I bought. These are for iPhone screens. So I just went on eBay and typed in polarizing film to see what was there. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I'm gonna trim this up and then make it proper without filming, and then we are good to go, and I'll show you the final results. Okay, I just wanted to film a before comparison. Okay, and this is after. Look at that. Okay, with some editing magic, let's put them side by side. I'm pretty sure this looks a lot better. If it doesn't look better, I'm just looking like the fool, but I think this looks awesome. Anyway, I hope that helps anyone that has a polarizing screen issue. I think the best way to do it is actually, if you wanted to, you could take it apart and actually apply it, but as you can see, it kind of just looks like a screen protector. And it kind of is a screen protector, because if this gets damaged, you can just replace it. It is very sticky though, so you may need to take it apart to get it off. But look at that. Look, if you compare it to an original, it's not as dark, but it's almost the same, and I'm loving it. This is great. I can't believe it's finally fixed. I'm just gonna, no one saw me do it, okay? It's gonna disturb the sleeping baby. He looks so good. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helps somebody. We'll see ya in the next one. Bye.